Alright, let us determine the coordinates of the center as well as the radius when we are given an equation. So let us recall that the standard form is x minus a all square plus y minus b all squared is equals to 25, where a and b they represent the center. So therefore, for this particular case, our center will be given by these values. So the value of a is 4 and the value of b is 3. So it is very important to note that we have to reverse the signs here when we are writing the coordinates of the center. Then our radius. Alright, let me make a correction here. So this is equals to r squared. Alright, this is equals to r squared. So therefore, to find the radius, it's going to be r squared is equals to 25. Then you take out a square root, so r is equals to 5 units. Alright, just check another one. Let us say we are given the equation of a circle in this form: x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus y minus 12 is equals to 0. So firstly here we need to rearrange our terms. So we have x squared followed by negative 2x. Then we have y squared minus y equals to 12. Alright, so to write this in a form of x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equals to r squared, we need to complete the square. Alright, so how do we complete the square? It's going to be x squared minus 2x plus, we find the half of negative 2, which is negative 1, then we square it, plus y squared minus y plus the half of negative 1 and the half of negative 1, which is negative half. So it's going to be negative half all squared is equals to 12 plus negative 1 squared plus negative half squared. Right, so we keep our sides equal. So now we have these terms. This can be represented as x minus 1 all squared plus y minus half all squared is equals to, we have 12 plus negative 1 all squared plus negative half all squared. So the answer is 53 over 4. So therefore our center will be at 1 and positive half, and the radius will be at 53 over 4. It will be a square root of 53 over 4, which is equals to root 53 all over 2. Alright, so we need to complete the square. Alright, maybe let us take another example where we have to complete the square. Alright, let us say our given equation is x squared plus 2x plus y squared is equals to 0. Alright, so this can be represented as x squared plus 2x plus y squared plus 0y is equals to 0. Alright, so let's just complete the square. It's x squared plus 2x, then a half of 2 is 1 all squared plus y squared plus 0y, then the half of 0 is 0 all squared is equals to 0 plus 1 all squared plus 0 all squared. So this can be represented as a binomial square where it is x plus 1 all squared plus this is y plus 0 all squared is equals to 0 plus 1 squared plus 0 squared. It is equals to 1. So therefore we have the center, it's negative 1 and 0. Then to calculate the radius, it is r squared equals to 1. Then take out the square root, so r is equals to 1 unit. R is equals to 1 unit. Thank you.